Chloe, I have a surprise for you. Close your eyes. Surprise! It's Ceelin.
Ceelin.
Yeah, Ceelin Gummies. Okay, let's
Open
unbox.
it.
Wow! What's that? Get this one. What is this? What is this?
A bag.
Wow! We got a bag. Show it.
Ceelin bag.
Hey! And then,
What's this?
show it to the camera. Wow! Let's unbox it. Wow! What's that? It's Sissy.
Sissy.
Okay. Oh, we gonna open this. Wow. What is this?
Escape.
Escape. Sissy escape and put his hat.
Mona, ito. Be-
Wow. What is that?
For his tum-tum.
The tom-tom. And to put the cape up. It fell down.
Like this, Mama.
Ah, sorry. Ganyan pala. And put this. Like this. Oh. Show it. Yay! We did Sissy.
We did Sissy.
Oh, and last one, what we got is...
Hey, it fall down.
Okay. Oh. Hold mo dito. Hold mo dito. Yan. Oh, show it to the camera.
Escape.
Hold mo lang din. It's Sissy the bear!
Sissy the bear.
Show it to the camera. Oh, enough
Mama,
na yan.
I wanted to step.
Yeah, later we're gonna fix that. Oh, put it there muna. And then, finally, we had Ceelin Gummies!
Ceelin Gummies.
Wow! Oh, let's try it. Ceelin Gummies with Zinc. Ayan. Oh,
Mama, that's what we have on the fridge too.
yeah. We got this. Oh, let's try it.
Yeah, but I'm not why it's all. It's before it's all.
Quiet lang. Ito naman, yay! Pretend lang. Ceelin Gummies. Yeah. Oh. Smile at the camera. Oh, hold this. Akin na yan. Oh. Kahap lang. Oh, show to the camera. Yay! You like my surprise?
Yeah.
Yay! Oh, baby, say thank you, Ceelin. One. Hold this. 1, 2, 3. Thank you, Ceelin. Ceelin. Again. 1, 2, 3. Thank you, Ceelin.
Dito yung microphone.
Ay, okay lang yan. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Ano yan? Ato lang, i-last mo lang.